In this video, I'm going to show you how to move Roblox to another drive. So a lot of people recommend a temporary solution such as moving the Roblox directory to this another drive, but this wouldn't work permanently because once you launch Roblox again, it's going to load the contents or download the contents in the C drive again. So, but if you want to know the temporary fix, here's how to do it. So just open up File Explorer. And then over here in the sidebar, scroll down until you see this PC, click on it, and then click on the drive where you have Roblox in, and then scroll down until you see program files times 86. And then over here, just locate Roblox. You can scroll down or just click on anything and then click on R, and then that will sort it with R. And now here's Roblox right here. So if you click on it, just make sure everything is inside. And now what you want to do is just cut this folder and put it in the other drive that you want. So to cut it, you can click Control X or right click and then cut. If you're on Windows 11, it's right here. If you're not, then you can click Show More Options. It's going to be right here. So once you cut it, you can now go to this PC and then the other drive will be right here. You can just click on it and then paste, which is Control V, or just right click and then paste. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And since this is the only temporary way, this is the only way to do it because Roblox didn't provide an option during the installation process to choose where our Roblox directory lies in. So it always picks the C drive. So yeah, that's about it for this video.